Hello guys, for today's video, what's up? So if you are a new content creator and you are struggling how to edit the video, so please join with me. Cut this split, click the split. Hello guys, for today's video, content creator and you are struggling how to edit the video, so please join with me. I will gonna show you what is the mistake of this video. Hello guys, for today's video, Hello guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to earn money here in Reels. Hello guys, how to earn money, I forgot. Hello guys, for today's video, how to earn money here in Reels. And hello guys, what's up? So if you are a new content creator and you are struggling how to edit the video, so please join with me. I will gonna show you what is the mistake of this video, and I'll give you example how to do and to correct your video, because as a new content creator we are always getting mistake, and from that mistake people are laughing and talking about us because our content is not informative and our content is very bad. So guys, I will show you how to correct our mistake, because we are not perfect, we are human being only, and we are got mistake. So I will show you guys. Come on, just do. We will do it at the CapCut. Guys, in order to improve our content as a new content creator, in order to improve our content, so we don't have the mistake, because some people are laughing and mocking us because of our content is very bad and very poor content. So what we need to do, we need to cut the excess that, you know, we are talking redundant, that like for example you took and you stop and then you continue, which is not good to our content. So go to CapCut and we re-edit and we remove which is not included on the video. So we will go to the CapCut guys and new project, and then from the new project here guys, so we add this video. Hello guys, for today's video, so he said, hello guys, so from hello, we cut this split, click the split, and this excess that you did not talk, then you remove it, because it's from the beginning, you don't need this one because you did not talk in the first beginning. So guys, we need to learn in the first 3 seconds, you need to get the attention to the viewer so that they will watch your video. So from guys, for today's video, so I said hello guys, so from the you need to split for today's video, for today's guys, so from that you need to remove the that's redundant. Hello guys, for today's video, so from there also I stop this video. So I stop talking from that. So we need to remove the excess. Hello guys, for this video. So from here you need to cut. Hello guys, for today's video. Guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to earn money here. So from here also I stop. I need to cut and remove the excess one. Here in, so split, click the video, is the split, and remove the excess video that you're not talking. Reels. So you need to remove also that one. Hello guys, how to earn money So this one also guys, I need to remove. You need to remove because it's not allowed, and those people are watching your video, they will laugh at you, they will mock at you. I forgot. Hello guys, for today's video, how to earn money here in Reels. So that's it. For example guys, so that's it. So from that, I already removed the exist that you are not talk, and they have some time limit, which is, you know, if people are watching you, then they will feel boring and they will skip your video. So you should be in front of the camera, always speak, and no need to stop. You need to continue talking so that viewers, you will get their attention. So check this out. Hello guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to earn money here in Reels. Earn money. Hello guys, for today's video, how to earn money here in Reels. So guys, that's it. So guys, why we need to do that? So if you are in front of the camera, so we are not perfect sometimes if we are talking in front of the camera, especially when we don't have the note that we are reading on that. So sometimes we are stopped because, you know, we are out of mind and we don't know what to do. We don't know what to speak in the next. We need to speak. So guys, in the CapCut, the video that you are not talking, you need to split that one, and the excess video, you need to cut and remove it because, you know, you need to get the attention of the viewers. But if you are talking redundant, it means if you are talking, then you stop, then they have like that, the people watching you are feel boring and they will skip your video. So guys, we need to create informative and interesting content so that we got the attention of the viewers. Guys, I hope you understand. Please like and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.